Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to get some free Pokemon coins and Stardust. Here I'm just showing you on my account that I have 0 Pokemon coins, so you know it's real. See? Okay, now you can do this both on your computer or on your mobile. Just type in pokecoinhack.xyz. Wait for it to load a little bit. And here you'll find, the generator. It's quite nice looking. I don't know, I think so. Yeah, how to use it, and you'll know. So scroll up and type in your username, select the platform and your region, and select the amount of Pokecoins and Stardust you want. I'll just select 100 for a test. Yeah, we'll wait it for it to generate. Yeah, see, it takes a little bit of time, but it's okay, I can wait. Okay. So they think I am a bot. Okay. So yeah, I just need to verify I'm not a bot. You select an offer, fill it in, and yeah, that's it. After you've done that, just go into Pokemon Go and you'll see the coins generated. Just wait for it to load and we'll see. Okay, yeah. There you go, 100 coins. Not fake, not edited, just, real. I can buy some Pokeballs with it, but I won't.